over standing line. Trace over slipping line. Trace over slanting line. Trace over wave line. Trace over zigzag line. Trace over curves. Trace the fence pattern and color the picture. Shapes. Practice tracing the shapes, then color them all neatly. Trace over the number 1. Activity. Encircle all number 1. Practice. Trace over the number 2. Activity. Color the fish with number 2. Practice. Trace over the number 3. Activity. Tick the pineapple with number 3. Practice. Trace over the number 4. Activity. Tick the tortoise with number 4. Practice. Trace over the number 5. Activity. Tick the curves with number 5. Practice. Count and encircle the correct number. Count and match the correct number. Count the objects and write the correct number in the circle. Trace and write 1 to 5. Trace over the number 6. Activity. Identify the sequence and fill in the blanks. Practice. Trace over the number 7. Activity: encircle the snail with number 7. Practice. Trace over the number 8. Activity: among the given flags, there is only one flag which has 8 stars. Count the number of stars on each flag to see which one it is and then draw a circle around it. Practice. Trace over the number 9. Activity: tick the pots with number 9. Practice. Trace over the number 10. Activity: write the missing numbers. Practice. Complete the numbers. What comes after? What comes before? What comes in between? Write the missing numbers in each flower. Trace over the number 11. Trace over the number 12. Trace over the number 13. Trace over the number 14. Trace over the number 15. Trace over the number 16. Trace over the number 17. Trace over the number 18. Trace over the number 19. Trace over the number 20. Join the dots from 1 to 20. Color the complete picture. Trace over the number 21. Trace over the number 22. Trace over the number 23. Trace over the number 24. Trace over the number 25. Trace over the number 26. Trace over the number 27. Trace over the number 28. Trace over the number 29. Trace over the number 30. Color the stars that has numbers from 21 to 30. Trace over the number 31. Trace over the number 32. Trace over the number 33. Trace over the number 34. Trace over the number 35. Trace over number 36. Trace over the number 37. Trace over the number 38. Trace over the number 39. Trace over the number 40. Help the boy to reach the ball by joining numbers from 1 to 40. Trace over the number 41. Trace over the number 42. Trace over the number 43. Trace over the number 44. Trace over the number 45. Trace over the number 46. Trace over the number 47. Trace over the number 48. Trace over the number 49. Trace over the number 50. Arrange the numbers in the correct ascending order. Arrange the numbers in the correct descending order. Let's write numbers from 50 to 1 backward in clouds. Join the dots from 1 to 50, then color the picture. Number the hen's eggs from 1 to 50. Trace over the number 51. Trace over the number 52. Trace over the number 53. Trace over the number 54. Trace over the number 55. Trace over the number 56. Trace over the number 57. Trace over the number 58. Trace over the number 59. Trace over the number 60. Write the numbers in correct order. Use mirror to recognize the number and write it in the box. One is done for you. Trace over the number 61. Trace over the number 62. Trace over the number 63. Trace over the number 64. Trace over the number 65. Trace over the number 66. Trace over the number 67. Trace over the number 68. Trace over the number 69. Trace over the number 70. Write the missing numbers and complete the counting from 51 to 70. Write the numbers that comes before. Write the numbers that comes after. Trace over the number 71. Trace over the number 72. Trace over the number 73. Trace over the number 74. Trace over the number 75. Trace over the number 76. Trace over the number 77. Trace over the number 78. Trace over the number 79. Trace over the number 80. Write the numbers that comes in between. Trace over the number 81. Trace over the number 82. Trace over the number 83. Trace over the number 84. Trace over the number 85. Trace over the number 86. Trace over the number 87. Trace over the number 88. Trace over the number 89. Trace over the number 90. Match the numbers with their shadows. One is done for you. Help the Chhota Bhim to reach Laddu by writing the numbers from 81 to 90 on path. Trace over the number 91. Trace over the number 92. Trace over the number 93. Trace over the number 94. Trace over the number 95. Trace over the number 96. Trace over the number 97. Trace over the number 98. Trace over the number 99. Trace over the number 100. Count and write how many of each pictures are there. Join the dots from 1 to 100. Color the picture. Let's write numbers from 100 to 1 backward in clouds. Trace the numbers on each balloon and color the balloons. Cross odd one out in each column. Tick the largest number in each column. Help the rabbit to reach their home.